Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So watch me recreate one of my favorite looks of all time, y'all. I did this look one time during the summertime and I never got to really show it off or wear it. So I'm like, oh my god, I gotta redo this and give y'all a look. Okay, give y'all a full look. So make sure you go on my Instagram and see how I styled this hair. But if you want to see how I achieved this look, from layering to styling, curling irons, and so on and so forth, then keep watching. final look. I wonder if y'all feel like I should have kept the bang more on the side or more in my face, because right now I just don't want it aggravating my lashes. But this is kind of the look I was going for. Like how long ago was this? Probably like the 2013 type of vibes. Y'all know when we used to have that deep swoop. I kind of like the swoop idea. I just don't like it all in my eyes. So I want it like this. It's still tamed and it's still a swoop, but I didn't want it too like over to where you couldn't catch that, because this is one of my favorite looks I did. I'm gonna put the picture in right here. When I did that hairstyle, I already ate that up for no reason, like literally not one reason. So I'm just like, all right, I think I'm gonna stick with that hairstyle, so I wanted to do it again, and I'm gonna do a look with it. So if you want to see the look I want to create with this look, then make sure you are connected with me on Instagram. I post everything on Instagram, and most likely I might do something for YouTube. I'm not sure. If you want to see what I turned this look into, then make sure you stay tuned. So how are we feeling about this look? Can we just talk about the highlights? Some hairstyles really complement certain like color combinations when it comes up to hair, and I feel like when you have highlights of some sort, curls always look so fire, because you don't know what direction the hair is coming from, the colors, you don't know what. All you know is you just see a whole bunch of waves and drama, and I love that. I love it. Don't get me wrong, I like, you know, a little straight highlight look, but the curls always get me. So make sure y'all let me know what y'all think about this look. Once again, one of my favorite looks. So click that like button if you like this video, because I know you enjoyed it, girl. Comment down below, let me know your thoughts, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from and I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.